Evaluate the definite integral by the limit process integral 1 to 4d minus x dx. We're going to find the limit as n goes to infinity of the summation of all the rectangles f of c's of I times delta of x. So our delta of x is going to be b minus 1 divided by n, so it's 4 minus 1 divided by n, which is 3 divided by n. And then c's of I is a plus I delta of x, which is 1 plus 3I divided by n. And then we're going to put it on the equation. So it's going to be, as limit goes to infinity, the summation of all rectangles, f of 1 plus 3I divided by n times 3 of divided by n. And then we're gonna put it on the equation. So it's 2 minus 1 plus 3 of I divided by n times 3 of n. And then we gotta be do limit goes to infinity, the summation of all rectangle. It's 1 minus 3I divided by n times 3n. And then we're gonna multiply the numbers by 3n. So it's gonna be, as limit goes to infinity, the summation of all rectangles is 3 divided by n minus 9I divided by n squared. And then we're gonna open up the both numbers, and it's gonna be limit goes to infinity, the summation of all rectangles 3 divided by n minus the limit of n as n goes to infinity, 9 divided by n squared, summation of all rectangles times, and then I, we want it to be separate by itself. And then the limit goes to infinity, we're gonna put n, so it's 3 divided by n times n minus, as limit goes to infinity, 9 divided by n squared is, the I is n divided n times n plus 1 divided by 2. And then we're gonna multiply them, so the n will cancel out, n with n, and then it's 3. The limit as limit goes to infinity, 9 times n plus 1 divided by 2n. We took out 1n of each factor. And then it's going to be, as limit goes to infinity, 3 minus limit as limit goes to infinity, 9n divided by 2n plus 9 divided by 2n. And then the limit of 3 is 3, and then this one, it goes to 0, and we'll take out n from here and n here, and then this would be 0, so it will cancel the whole thing. So it's 3 minus 9 divided by 2, and then it's 6 minus 9 divided by 2, which is gonna be negative 3 divided by 2, and that's the answer.